In this video, we're going to take a look at social share buttons. So a social share button enables a subscriber to share this campaign to their social media profile. Let's go add a button here. And let's add it to the footer. Okay, so we can see we've got our Facebook, X and LinkedIn buttons. So we can just click on them to set up this block. You can change the icon set over here. So in this campaign, we're using kind of a black layout. So let's change the icon set to something that matches a little better. Okay, and if we click on Add Button, we can go adding an additional social share button. So let's perhaps add a Bluesky button. And you can see this has been added to our campaign. If you wish to remove one, you can simply click on the X button. And we've got drag handles here, so you can change the sort order. So let's perhaps put LinkedIn at the beginning. Okay, perfect. And over here we have the style section. This is where you can go for a few more styling options. So at the moment, you'll see we've got icon and text. If we wanted, we can change this to icon only for a more cut down version. We have our direction here. So at the moment, this is set to horizontally align. If we click it to vertical, you can see the alignments change, so the elements are now stacked on top of each other. And also we have left align, right align, and center align options. And finally, if you wish to set a background color on this block, you'll see that we've got the option over here. And of course, if you wanted to go back to transparent, we can do that over here. Okay, that's a quick look at social share buttons.